Hello guys, this is Sanju and today I'm come with a new topic that is on anonymity should be allowed on internet or not. So on the point of my view, yes, the anonymity should continue to be allowed because this is the only way through which the people can express their expressions. So it provides the explanations medium to the people because not every one people can face face to anyone in front of all they faces in their life with their communities and the society. So it work as a protection for those people who are unable to express their views and opinion. Also, the anonymity provide have to right to privacy because in this season the government surveillance is increasing so much so to avoid the becoming the victim of that, it is necessary. Also, this concept is not new because since many years the writers, poeters, and many other celebrity uses this way as an enmity to avoid the judgment from the community and the society. And it is important for the introverts because they want such life that they should not follow to anyone anywhere. So through this medium they express or can help the helpful person. And now if we saw the narrative part of this topic is that no, the anonymity should not be allowed on the internet because there is also some reason because in this season during the maximum population in our country the harass, harassment also increases between the people, and due to this the people are always trying to harass the another people, and during this resulting is increases the distribution effect, that is the people are in face talking to another and suddenly in a online manner their behavior suddenly changed. And also cyberbullying increment is also due to the effect of this anonymity, so degrading and demotivates to another people by hiding their face to the media. So on the conclusion we can say that the anonymity is the good enough for the people until when the people are not freedom to express their views.